Hi and welcome to another unboxing video. Let's see what we have here. This is an emergency crank radio. Oh, there is some information here. Okay, it's a solar powered AM/FM radio. It is also USB powered. You can charge your phone with it. It has a 1000 mAh charger and you can even crank it for power. So let's open it up and see what we have here. Okay, wait a minute, there's something in the box. As usual, there is an instruction manual here. And there is a USB, mini to USB-A cable. Let me open it up. This is the length of the cable. And this is the radio. Here you can change from AM to FM or WB. This is the volume knob. And it's also the off and on. This is for tuning. This is the light button. This is the solar panel. This is the aerial. Here, this is where you plug the USB to charge this device. And here, you will use it to power other devices, for example, your mobile phone. And this is the crank. So you will crank it. Let's say you have no electricity and you need to charge it, so you can use the crank to charge this radio to listen to any emergency broadcast, or you can even leave it in the sun and to charge with this mini solar power here. Just turn the radio on and check what you will get here.
Outcome of that would be there could be humanitarian access could be easier than it.
Well, the speaker works very good and the radio definitely works, so everything works pretty good. Works pretty nice. I bought this just in case there is an emergency and you really need a radio and there is no sunlight. Let's say for example you're at night and there is no sunlight, so you can use the crank to crank it up. And you can use it also as a battery for your mobile, as I said. Here you can to make a phone call even if there is no electricity. So this is one of the reasons I bought it. Let's say I will charge this up and use it as a charger for my mobile phone to make an emergency call if there is no electricity. This is all that comes in the box. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe to support the channel, and see you next time. Bye.